Hello friends, today I have to repair very famous motherboard model. Model is LA-9104p. Okay, this motherboard problem is not turning on. Okay, now we check it with DC power supply. Okay. See, I give power and see this amp rate. This is a abnormal ampere for motherboard turning off mode. Okay, now we check coil output side one by one impedance. Okay, plus I do my multimeter is in diode mode. I think you can see it. Yeah, it's a diode mode. Okay, I use my red probe to ground. Okay, and black probe I check one by one coil output line. Okay, see, this one is 5 volt line. Impedance is good. Okay, and this one is a 3 volt line. See, 3 volt line impedance is very good. Okay, now we check. This is PCH power 1.05. See, impedance is very good. Now we can check 1.5 volt line. See, impedance is very good. Now next coil is 1.8 volt. See, impedance is very good. Now we check GFX coil. See, impedance is very good. This one, Vico, impedance is very good. VCCSA, impedance is very good. Okay, now we get our next step. Next step is I give power and check coil. I turn it on and multimeter set voltage. See, 3 volt is coming and 5 volt. See, 5 volt is present. Okay, I do one thing. Now I check this coil with multimeter. Okay, I hope to check this coil output with DSO. See what happened. I touch my probe to 5 volt line. See, 5 volt line is very good. Okay, no problem. Now I touch this probe to 3 volt line. See what happened. It is very big problem. Okay, output line not smoothing. We have very big problem. Okay, see this one. This is the 3 volt 5 volt IC. Okay, this side is 3 volt always. Okay, this is the upper MOSFET, this is the lower MOSFET. Okay, this problem many times come with this upper MOSFET leakage. Okay, I tell it from my experience. Okay, now we can check this upper MOSFET gate pin and output pin. This one is a 3 volt 5 volt IC. This one is 3 volt side upper MOSFET. It number PQ202. Okay. Now I touch my oscilloscope probe to this upper MOSFET gate. See, DSO what show? Yeah. This is abnormal PWM gate pin pulse. Okay, this one have problem. Firstly, I do one thing. Replace this uppermost bit and check it again. Okay, I replace new MOSFET to this PQ202 and this one is old one. Okay, now we check this gate pin pulse with DSO. See what happened. This pulse is very good. Okay, and check this amp rate. Yeah. Now we check output coil pulse. Or it is smoothing or not. See, output coil is very smooth. Okay, now we try to turn on this motherboard. Okay, now I turning on this motherboard. See whatever motherboard is turning on, our job is done. Okay, my next step is this motherboard plug to this casing and display come or not. Okay friends, I plug this motherboard to casing and now check display come or not. Okay, turning on it, check. Yes, my job is done. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.